trails to you until we meet again. Happy trails to you. Keep smiling until then. Who cares about the clouds if we're together?
Just sing a song and bring the sunny weather.
Happy trails to you until we meet again. Some trails are happy while others are blue. It's the way you ride that trail that counts. Here's a happy one for you. Happy trails to you until we meet again. Happy trails to you. Keep smiling until then. Who cares about the clouds if we're together?
Just sing a song and bring the sunny weather.
Happy trails to you until we meet again. Happy trails to you until we meet. Oh, when I die, take my saddle from the wall, put it on my pony, lead him out of the stall, tie my bones to his back, turn our faces to the west. We'll ride the prairies we love the best. Ride around little dogies, ride around real slow. Fiery and snuffy, raring to go. Old Paint's a good pony, he paces when he can. Goodbye, little Donny, I'm off to Montana. Goodbye, old Paint, I'm leaving Cheyenne. Goodbye, old Paint, I'm leaving Cheyenne. My foot's in the stirrup, my bridle's in hand. Goodbye, little Annie, my horses won't stand. Goodbye, old Paint, I'm leaving Cheyenne. Goodbye, old Paint, I'm leaving Cheyenne. Where do cowboys go when they die? Is there a place in the sweet by and by where the water is clean and the grass grows green and there ain't a cloud in the sky? What is reincarnation? A cowboy asked his friend. His friend replied, Well, son, it happens when your life has reached its end. You see, they comb your hair and they wash your neck and they clean your fingernails, and they lay you down in a padded box far away from life's travails. Now the box in you goes in a hole that's been dug into the ground, and reincarnation starts in when you're planted beneath the mound. You see, the box melts down just like the clods, and you is inside. And then you're just beginning on your transformation ride. Is there a place in the sweet by and by where do cowboys go when they die? Well, in a while some rain's gonna come and fall upon the ground, till one day on your lonely little grave a little flower will be found. And say a horse should wander by and graze upon this flower that once was you, but now has become a vegetative bower. Well, that little flower that the horse done ate up with all his other feed becomes bone and fat and muscle, essential to the steed. Of course, some is consumed that he can't use, and so it passes through, and finally it lays there on the ground, this thing that once was you. And then say that I should wander by, gaze upon the ground, and wonder and ponder on this object that I found. Well, it sure makes me think of reincarnation, of life and death and such, and I ride away concluding, Slim, you ain't changed all that much. Where do cowboys go when they die? Is there a place in the sweet by and by where the water is clean and the grass grows green and there ain't a cloud? Oh, bury me not on the lone prairie. These words came sad and mournfully from the pallid lips of a youth who lay on his dying bed at the close of day. It matters not, so I've been told, where the body lies when the heart grows cold. But grant, oh grant this wish to me, bury me not on the lone prairie. Bury me not on the lone prairie, where coyotes howl, the wind blows free in a narrow grave 6 by 3. Oh, bury me not on the lone prairie. Bury me not. His voice failed there. We took no heed of his dying prayer in a narrow grave 6 by 3. We buried him there on the lone prairie. cowboys now, as they roam the plain, they mark a spot where his bones were lain, fling a handful of roses o'er his grave with a prayer to God his soul